Exercise 9. How many values of x satisfy the equation root of x plus 5 equals 2x minus 1? Well, I think that this should be a typical exercise in which we should use either a calculator, if we have with us any, or simply Desmos. Let's start with Desmos. So, I'm gonna bring the tab for Desmos, and since I want to be able to look at it, I will split the string like that. Root of x. If you cannot find where the symbol for root is, on the bottom left corner of the Desmos screen, you have this keyboard. There is root x plus 5 equals x minus 1. Remember now that in Desmos, all solutions to equations are given as vertical lines. So I can clearly see one such line. I will zoom out to see if there are any more. So no, it's just one, which means that the right answer for this question would have been 1. But since I also have a calculator, I'm using Casio FX CG50. Let's see if I was right. Run matrix, option, calc, solve n, and now I'll plug in the given equation. X plus 5 equals, with shift and dot, x minus 1. Execute, exit, and yes, the GDC confirms that there is only one solution to this equation. So once again, the right answer for that question would have been B.